They go say when woman get belle. I don't know whether I don't hear them. Make she no drink cold water. Many women we don't born pikin, we don't carry belle, or even get belle. Go hear me right now. Understand? Say they tell them, say if you get belle, no drink cold water. Say cold water go do this, cold water go do that. Scientifically, medically, cold water you drink no they affect pikin for belle. But you know those are our forefathers, our early parents, elder. They go say no drink more. And when woman get belle, sometimes that cold water they hungry them well. You know, coffee drink them because of all the things where they talk. Say if you drink cold water, you go make your pikin get catarrh, you go make your pikin get pneumonia, you go make your pikin no strong, go they shake, go get stroke, and the rest. All these things are fake, all fake, false. If you get belle, first of all, register for your antenatal. Ask your doctor. Your doctor go tell you. You drink water. As you enter your belle go change the temperature. It no connect with pikin. So now that one I come pull out. Say cold water no go make your pikin get pneumonia. Cold water no go make your pikin get stroke. Or go make your pikin get catarrh, or go make your pikin get jaundice. Because they also talk, say, if you drink cold water, you go make a pikin get jaundice.
Wow.
They are false, I beg. Good life. Nice. Now that one I carry come today. I know say some people now, but they go this na lie.
Doctor, this thing where you talk now. I know one woman where they say na block she dey take.
She dey chew.
If she get belle. You know say as you talk now, you say na cold water. Some go do and pass. Like that block, she go dey take am small. So that one is good.
Okay.
Ice block.
Okay.
That one good.
Thank you, Amulita.
Thank you. Okay. Two things. Number one, if you want to drink your ice block, you don't get any problem. However, a gynecologist, specialist for this part of our country here, they tell me say sometimes women get iron deficiency, and it could be sign they go dey leak block well. Okay. It fit be sign. You understand? Yeah. But if they check you, see say you don't get any deficiency, nothing, it no spoil, it no cause any problem. Because they carry that and say, I really block, and I go, it no go do anything. But when a woman, they crave all those block too much, cold things, sometimes her doctor go want check whether she gets any nutritional deficiency.
So, okay. Who did the phone line? Hello?
Hello, good morning.
You're ready to keep the volume.
Yeah. My name is Isaiah Mebinoaye.
Okay.
My question goes along with that woman that talked last. When a pregnant woman started taking block, ice block, and consistently, because of what that doctor said, to me, it's not going to have an implication on the baby inside, even including the head of the woman itself, because I believe there's nothing you take in next sex that it has its implications.
Okay.
So that we should be cautious when we're talking on media like this.
Oh yeah, wait. Okay, wait. Because of time, wait now. Ma ask you question. What type of implication do you think will happen?
Okay, it's more or less like when you take water, even if it's not what do you call it, cold one. If it's in next sex, you will combine yourself now.
Sure.
Okay, I get where they come from. If they try using brain, like if you take in excess. Okay, thank you. I understand. Make me address your comment quickly.
Yeah.
First of all, there's this law in life. Too much of everything is what? There's a law like that. You understand? But if a woman get belle, and she they crave block, they crave. I mentioned them right now. It go good make her medical team where they treat her, where they check whether she get nutritional deficiency.
Yeah.
And if she they take the block and it give her no problem, you go leave her now. You understand? As long as her doctors they check her. You understand? Your concern is valid. However, and those questions that you get, if her doctors don't check her and see say it no go do her anything, and then let her live her life.
Why person drink water na problem?
It gets, yes, I made a video about it. It gets people will go drink water if you give them problem, but it is extremely rare.
Okay.
Extremely.
Extremely.
I mean extremely.
Oh.
In no day common. So anybody will they tell you say if you drink water, it will give you problem. It's extremely in no day common. You might not see it till you leave this world. But you go to hear, but you might not see it.
The only one where I know say they happen to me, if I drink water, I go peace. The doctor, sir.
Yes.
Somebody they ask this question. He say, person where they take cold soda drink when he get Belle. Any problem?
Okay, this one now, I was hoping it would come. All those drinks, number one, whether you get Belle or you not get Belle, those things are not healthy. And we know, say when woman get Belle, some kind of things they hungry you where past normal. All those things they hungry you. If you want to use it and touch your mouth, but say you go they drink them every time. This one, we not going to encourage you to drink them. Do you understand? But whether you carry Belle or you no carry Belle, you they drink all those. You know them now. Make I not mention their name. They are not healthy for you.
So I want to ask you, just follow up question to this particular question. Since to drink these other ones,
yes.
So if person won't drink, like pregnant woman won't drink something, and you don't want drink water, you just want something with sweet. What you advise me drink?
It's better she take her fruits,
freshly squeezed fruits.
You sabi am.
I just want me to come out for your mouth, so
you go school.
I want me to come out for
I don't go school.
For the soul now, go school. Hello.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My question goes like this: a pregnant woman. Because I remember my mom will say if woman get Belle once a while, it's good to be taking gin, like alcohol gin.
Okay.
Is it advisable?
Thank you for asking this question. And I will want to make this resounding and very loud and clear.
Louder.
If you get Belle, no put alcohol for your mouth.
Reason,
and I go, say, but me, I drink and nothing do me. No worry. Some other women don't drink alcohol. It show their Pikin shege for Belle. This one, no touch am. But doctor, what you now know? I can tell you, there are some things we can't mention. Some women don't drink alcohol. They enter one chance with their Belle. So it is not advisable to drink alcohol when you carry Belle.
Who go tell say they stop for me to
He no go stop. Even if it go help you, the dangers, the disadvantages are more than the what? The benefits.
Okay.
I bet so if you're a grown-up man now, you have these challenges, you are struggling with alcohol, go. Ask your mama.
What do you do? What's
who did the phone line? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, baby.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
He laughed.
See, doctor. God bless you for this topic.
Amen.
The time where they born, this ice water. I did drink them. Even my second son, my second Pikin, he got immense my entire fridge.
Yes, I remember.
They do the medicine. Not only that one. When I born, you get us in hand. They say pure ice water where they drink. The hand come like the person will wash cloth well.
You the white.
Get us in hand taste.
Yes.
They say na the water where they drink.
Who talks so? Who talks so?
People will come greet me now.
Okay, so those ones na bush talk. Na bush talk. No be the water person.
You get waiting again where I want ask for this thing. Who get Belle? What you know they eat? Like when I get Belle, I know they drink this tea where get choco. They say they make woman bleed if he born. Whether not true. I know they drink that tea at all. I know they near them. All my children.
Yeah.
And I don't even tell my daughter say if she marry, if she will get Belle, go take that kind. You know the tea where they talk now. No one
we know.
Baby.
Yes.
Thank you. The one when you get that, I bet shop block. Nothing go put to us and our Pikin, yeah?
They expect another one.
Open fridge now.
Open fridge and make you enter.
Now, over the years, they have done a lot of research. They know put choco as one of the things where they cause bleeding after delivery. We they call them postpartum hemorrhage. That is when woman born, you come they bleed. They don't do so many research. Choco, no they among the things we go make a woman bleed after she give birth, unless that thing where you dey drink maybe it contains caffeine. Caffeine no good for your body, but generally it no go make you get bleeding, postpartum hemorrhage. You be say they will come carry you go back to hospital again. Scientifically, medically, you know they for the lists.
Okay. Out of my question be say, consider water that block or pure water or cold water. If person born, especially for me, I dey drink that cold water well because person belly dey hot. If you drink and like this, the pikin go just dey walk up and down. But if you born that pikin daughter, it go come white. What did they make pikin dey white like that?
When you born pikin?
Hey, person born pikin, they drink that block well.
Okay.
We can't see pikin, all him body go come white.
Okay.
What did they cause her like that?
Okay, thank you.
Get less than a minute.
Wow.
No, number one, I beg, no be the cold water make pikin white. I beg. No be the cold water. When you born pikin for Belle, melanin, you know, how many pikin you don't born, we go see say pikin black. Pikin are always white,
always
yellow.
come out white.
You understand? So no be the cold water. That one is totally different. I beg, no be the cold water.
Yes, sir. In the person that human being you born, that is the most important thing first.
Before they be one
If you born
goat.
something else.
Right, sometimes the way they
final words.
where that goat to be one baby chicken.
Final words. I don't even know final words again. I don't even tire.
Final words, just
Good
born
life.
pikin.
Born pikin. Good life. Nonsense.
When they come back now.
Chook mouth. Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.